I have here a really pretty rug. It's going to be super easy to take care of, and it's really soft to walk on and to sit on. So the back is non-slip, and then the top here, the fabric is really soft, so it's super nice. It has a really nice back and really nice top. If you spill anything on it like water or juice, it just beads, so it's gonna be super easy to just wipe it clean. So this rug's gonna be great for anybody that's looking for a really nice rug. It's high quality and it's super easy to take care of.